Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to activate your Aspiration Debit card. If you don't have an Aspiration account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and receive a welcome bonus of up to $300. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an Activate Card button at the middle part of the screen. Click on Activate Card. Now, enter the last 4 digits of your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Then click on Continue. Next, create a 4-digit PIN. Then click on the Set My PIN button. And now you will see a message saying that your card has been activated. That's how you activate your Aspiration Debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.